my nails, guys. My nails are poppy. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to show you guys something. Look at my nails. Look at how gorgeous my nails are. What if I tell you that all these nails I did them myself? Yes, at the comfort of my zone, of my home, I fixed all these nails you're seeing here. You know, if you are a mom, you are a nursing mother, you cannot just go to the salon, go to a nail technician, spend hours upon hours fixing your nails. So I did all this at home by myself. It will not take you time doing this. Within some minutes you're done. Since I had baby, there are so many things I tried doing myself at home because I keep my baby with me at home. My baby don't go to the crèche, he has never started school, so most of the things I do, I find a way that is easy for me to do it in the comfort of my home. So that comes all these nails you're seeing right here. If you see them, you will think is a nail technician that did them. No, since I had baby, I like, how do mom do this? How do they do it? So the good thing about this nail, they comes with whatever you want to use with them. Is it to the drying machine? Is it to file, polish, the glue, everything came with it. See, they are from BT Art Boss and they are so beautiful. They look so natural. That is one thing I like with them. These are French tips. They look so natural. They look like my nails. Yeah, I just love everything about them. So if you like it, I'm going to leave the link to the website on the description box, so you check it out. I will check if there's any discount code as well. I will gladly put it there for you guys so that you can use it to get some percentage of. If there is any, I must surely put it down on the description box. There's nothing more than you having your baby beside you, even play with your baby while popping up your nails. There's nothing more than that. When I was doing this, I was so happy because my baby was just by the side talking with me while I was doing my thing. Before I knew it, I'm done. With all that being said, watch the unboxing and how I install all these gorgeous nails. See you guys in my next one. Ciao.